Hey y'all, what's up y'all? I'm back with part two of the vending machine business. I'm here with my friend of mine. So here we go.
All righty, all right. Last segment, the first segment, we talked about, the last question was, how much does one vending machine make a day? And you elaborated on that.
Yeah, foot traffic.
Yeah.
So it can be bad. It can be, I had as bad as like 50 cents a day or nothing a day, up to maybe, I had some $20 days, some places maybe $100 a day. $100 a day is real good.
Okay.
So you basically want to average like, someone told me average like $100 a week.
Right.
So that's pretty good.
But it all depends on where your machine is, right?
Yeah, it depends on where your
Because
machine is.
just today, I got a phone call. I'm going to put you on to the government. And I know you're already cleared for that. And that's going to bring you in a lot of revenue. So what you think of that?
I think that's good.
Alrighty. So what type of vending machines make the most money?
We got, I don't know, this depends. Like I had, you get soda machine by itself, snack machine by itself, or you can get a combo where they have snacks on the top and soda on the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
But I have certain, it depends on where you are. Some people just want sodas. Some people,
Okay.
I never seen a place just want snacks. I had some people just either want sodas or they want a combo. But so if they want a little bit of snacks, but they always want a lot of soda, I always give them two. I give them a snack machine and a soda machine. If it's a small place, I give them a combo. You never want to put a combo machine in a busy spot because you gonna have to service that machine every day because
Wow.
it doesn't take a lot of product. Somebody have to have a dedicated one for soda and dedicated one for a snack.
That makes sense.
And yeah, I forgot they also have a cold machine where you can put frozen food in.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like that machine, but yeah, that's one option.
All right.
You get burritos and stuff like that.
So why you don't like that machine?
Cause the stuff is more expensive. It's like you gotta charge I think $2.50 for a hot pocket, or $4, $5 for a sandwich. You know, some people they just treat the vending machine like it's too expensive. They don't take in consideration that you taking time out of your job, out of your day, driving to the place, going to the store, pick up the stuff. They don't take that in consideration. They just say, "Oh, it's $5. I can go $5 down the street."
From my experience, when I worked in places that had those combo machines like that,
Yep.
hot pockets were in there.
Yeah.
Guess what? We had night shift people. They didn't want to go out at night. So guess what? They hit that combo machine,
Yeah.
bought a couple hot pockets, and it was $5. And they say, hey, this guy's gonna make out because I'm hungry.
Yeah, that's if you find that kind of location. That's real good. It's not easy to find because most of your locations you find is because somebody they want to switch vendors because somebody not doing right.
Okay.
So you get most of your business from taking it from other people.
All right.
It's not like somewhere who don't have vending at all and you just want to try something out. So,
So, so do you have a lot of people, customers with refund signs on your vending machines?
it's not that bad. Sometimes I still get mad about it though. Yeah, I get mad when I see them like that machine ain't taking money. That's a brand new machine.
So everybody's trying to get over.
Yeah, that's my. The guy I told you he had 7,000 machines.
Yeah, tell me about that.
He told me don't cry about a dollar.
That's right.
You
You're
making $100. You crying about one can of soda. Just give it to him.
Give it to him.
Yeah.
So what about that guy that had the 7,000 machine? How was it inspirational to you?
I don't know how I've never seen that before. 7,000 and employed like 100 and something people. That's real nice. He had trucks and everything. So yeah, he was the one guy I bought machines from.
Mm-hmm.
That had 36 machines. He's like, how did you get him to come out with you? I said, I don't know. We just liked each other, just clicked. Because he couldn't believe the guy actually came out with me when I was changing my locks and stuff on the new machine.
Yeah.
He actually took time out to spend time with me.
Oh, favor ain't fair.
Yeah.
TD Jakes always said, favor ain't fair. If it's for you, it's for you. If it's not, it's not.
It's for me. That's why I tell you. Just because it's successful for me doesn't mean it will for you. Maybe you can go outside and get a go-kart business.
Right.
And become a millionaire. And I go do it and I just mess everything up.
Okay, you got a point.
Yeah, see if I want to do it from the heart.
So where and how do you acquire these machines?
You can go on Google. Google, you can find everything. You put in like vending machine supplier.
Mm-hmm.
They had some like the first place I bought my machines for. I bought 5 from a place in Las Vegas.
Mm-hmm.
Then you can have people that's you have to now using Google search to find from people. You might have to put like vending machines for sale. So when you find vending machines for sale, That's another way how you can find vending machines. So you can get them all different kind of places. You just have to be more in the
In tune with the
more in tune, like what's going on. Like when you first get in it, you're not gonna know where to buy stuff from.
Right.
So you just get the machine, then you start talking to people, and then people start introducing you to other ways to do things. So then you start finding out more stuff. You gotta be kind of patient. You can't like want to get everything at once.
Okay, you have to gain that rapport, get a network going, and all the Mr. Vendor men and women get together and y'all make it happen. All right.
So I see y'all on the next video. All right, peace.